Many people think ketosis means eating perfectly all the time. No desserts, no comfort foods, no recreated meals, only strict clean keto. And honestly, for deeper and more stable ketosis, simple whole foods usually work better. That's something I noticed very clearly while tracking my metabolism in ketones. The more simple my meals became, the more stable my ketosis became. Because highly engineered keto replacement foods can easily turn into constant dopamine-driven eating. And that matters. So before we start, this is not how I personally eat every single day. Most of the time, I still believe simple, savory, whole food meals create the best metabolic stability, the least food noise, and the strongest long-term ketosis. But once you build better metabolic flexibility, better appetite regulation, and a more stable relationship with food, I also think you absolutely can include more indulgent structured meals a few times per week, as long as they stay intentional and do not become the new normal. Because the goal is not restriction. The goal is structure. And today's OMAD meal is a perfect example of that. And as always, the exact ingredients, full quantities, macros, and full recipe breakdown are all listed in the description below. Today we are making ultra-simple, high-protein keto vegan pancakes together with a simple protein ice cream dessert. We start with the pancake batter. Fava bean protein, almond flour, psyllium husk, almond butter, baking powder, monk fruit sweetener, and vanilla. Then slowly add water until the batter becomes thick and stable. This is important. Too much liquid and the pancakes collapse. Too little and they become dry. Now line the tray with avocado oil and shape the pancakes. This is one reason I like oven pancakes for OMAD systems. Less stress, less flipping, less supervision, and much more consistent texture. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for around 12 to 16 minutes. And while they bake, you already notice something important. This meal is built around protein, satiety, stable energy, and simplicity, not constant hyperpalatability. Now the dessert, and again, simple ingredients. Fava protein, almond butter, monk fruit, vanilla, a pinch of salt, and minimal water. That's it. No giant ingredient list. No fake syrups. No ultra-processed fillers. Just enough structure to create something satisfying without turning the entire day into a binge-triggering dopamine spiral. And honestly, this is where many people struggle with keto, not because keto does not work, but because modern food engineering constantly pushes the brain toward overeating. This entire OMAD system lands roughly around 1,700 calories, around 94 to 100 grams of protein, around 18 to 23 grams net carbs, and around 125 to 140 grams of fat. So this version stays high protein, very satiating, relatively keto-friendly, anti-binge friendly, and simple enough for stable energy. And this is something I really want people to understand. The goal is not to constantly recreate junk food forever. The goal is to build enough metabolic flexibility, enough awareness, and enough structure that you can occasionally enjoy more indulgent meals without losing control, without constant food obsession, and without turning every meal into a dopamine event. Because for me personally, the deepest and most stable ketosis still always comes back to simple meals, simple ingredients, and intentional structure. I also personally track my metabolism with a continuous ketone monitor because your body is individual and data creates awareness. The monitor I personally use is the Sibio Continuous Ketone Monitor. You can find it here, https://www.sibiosensor.com/alanocculta. And don't forget the basics. Omega-3, a multivitamin with B12, vitamin D3 and K2, creatine, magnesium, and 2 Brazil nuts. So instead of asking what the perfect keto recipe is, maybe the better question is, does this meal create stability or constant food noise? Because that changes everything. Make no compromises. Keto and vegan works. Simple. Structured. Effective.